Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Hanis and welcome to Hanis's Artistic Studio. Don't forget to give us a like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my videos. Hope you enjoy and will be filled with inspiration. Thank you.
Hey everyone, Hanis here, and today we're going to be making a little gift card or mail. So let's get started. So first things first, get your piece of paper. Then at the top, fold it into two pieces of triangles. Okay? Just to be safe, which one's the middle, I'm gonna fold this. Don't mind the writings on this paper. Okay. Fold it into a half. Then open again. And fold these two papers at the top to triangles. Turn it around on the other side and fold another triangle. Make sure it's at the same spot as the line, and make sure they're like the same height and the same size. Okay. Next, turn it like this. Take this edge and put it over here at the line. Okay, let me just straighten it. Right. Take the other side and put it to the line. Okay. Take this edge and this edge, push it down to the hole they've given you as a triangle. Okay. And the other side. Okay. Now you flip this. Here, you're gonna write your message. So I'll be starting to write right now. So I already wrote my letter. Next, you have to flip it, okay, and divide them into three pieces, like 1, 2, cut. All right. So this is how you're gonna do it. Okay, hopefully I can do this. First, you flip this up, flip this down, and find the right spot. Okay. Press them together. Okay. 1 and 2. Okay. 1 here. Take this and slide it under. Take the other side and slide it under here. Oh my. Am I crumbling the paper? Okay. Oof. Okay. Okay, that should be it. Okay. Did it. Alright. There. Oof. In here, I'll just tuck it in. Okay. So take your pencil. Just draw an arrow here. Up, down, right, pull. P-U-L-L, pull. Over here you can write to. Over here you can write from. Right here. Hanis's Artistic Studio. Over here is unknown, but yeah, I'm gonna write it later. So here you can write a title or decoration and everything. So I'm gonna start decorating this with my markers, my color pencils, and more. So I'll see you soon. So we are done with our letter. You can see who I send it to. So yeah. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment below of what you think of the video. So yeah, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much and bye.